how to download and install Java on your Windows. So let's do that. Go to your favorite search engine. Mine is Google, and search for Java JDK download, and the first result that you see here, which is from the oracle.com. Click on it, and in here we will install the Java 21. And as you see the tab view here, we have various operating systems listed out there: Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Since we are going to download it on Windows, I'm going to click on Windows, and as you can see we have 3 options here, but we are going to focus on those two installer. First one is x64 compressed archive, x64 installer and x64 MSI installer. So I'll select x64 installer, link here, click on it, and as you can see the download has begun, and wait for complete download. Now as you can see the download is finished. What I will do is I'll double click on it and it will take on to this window here. I'll click yes. Now setup window will pop up. So let's click on next. Again click next. Now the installation process will begin. Wait for installation complete. So installation is complete. Let's close it now. Now we have done the half part of our installation. We also need to set the Java environment variable. First, let's open the command and I'll type java -- version, and as you can see it say Java 21.0.1 is installed on my system. So this is exactly the version that we just installed. So Java is successfully installed. Now we need to set the Java environment variable, and the way we do that is we need to go control panel. You can search on the search bar here and click on it system and security, system, advanced system settings. Click on the environment variable button under the advanced tab, then select the path variable in system variables and click on the edit button. Click on the new button and browse the path where Java is installed, followed by the bin. By default Java is installed in C:/program files /java/jdk your version number. Then click OK and save the settings. So this is how we set the Java environment variable on Windows, and this completes our Java installation. Now if you have any Java file, you can easily run that. So this is how you can download and install Java on your Windows. So I hope you find this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you not yet. It keeps me motivated for creating more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.